Welcome to NXG Markets. This is Mohsin Ismail, and welcome to today's video of the market analysis for gold as per the day. This video is made for educational purposes, so please trade at your own risk. So thank you. Well, if you're coming in for the first time, please like, subscribe, and share NXG Markets on YouTube. We do try to put updates about the gold market every day. And of course, with several other cryptocurrencies coming into the picture as well. Today, we are going to understand as to what might happen. And today being August 12th, that's a Tuesday, we have a few of the important news for various currencies like Australian dollar. And for US dollar, we have got core, PPI, CPI, month on month, and CPI year on year as a very important news which we have to look into. So there is a fundamental aspect involved in today's fluctuation that we might see by the evening for gold as well. And in terms of the other news, let me just tell you that, of course, there are talks with Mr. Trump and Mr. Putin as well in regards with Ukraine and its territory. So we have to wait for the update as to what might come during the day or maybe in this week. However, let's just quickly cover up the technical aspect which we are known for. Yesterday, if you have seen the video, you must have seen that the market exactly went down to the levels that we discussed and it reached over here, and after that it has been on an upward movement even today as well. So today, the point of the day that I want you to understand and keep in mind, let's understand this, that the point for the day, okay, let me make this a little slow. Okay, today the range is going to be really very nice. I want you to concentrate. You see this point, this is our point for the day, that is around about 3349 to 3350. So we will do consider this point as one of this point for the day as to through which we will make the analyzation and trade accordingly. Now, what is that point? Right. Now, from here, from 3349 or 50, you should always consider. Right now, if you look at the market is on a bullish momentum from this particular point. So what we will do is we will always consider buy position today if it's closing above 3349. So if the market, like the market is actually is above right now, what we'll do is we will consider buy from here, right? And from 3349 you've got 3359, and if the market then try to retest, on the retest, if this gets rejected, then of course the market is going down. But if it does not get rejected, we'll try to retest here, and if it gets rejected over here, it will go on towards its area of 3375 and 3370. So 3370 and 3375 is the resistance that we are talking about, right? And that is something that you have to always look at. Then the market will certainly try to come down a little, and then if it doesn't come down further, then it will move back up towards our point of 3397 and 3400 as the target for the day. Now, there is a possibility by the evening when the news comes in, if the news is negative, then you can expect gold to move further to 3417 to 3425 as well. However, right now, as a matter of fact, as I see, I'm giving you the range of the day, which you need to be careful about. You know the resistance till where you can set your targets, and from the points where you can take a very good sell position are the resistance points where you book your profits of buy, and you can open a sell if the market takes a reversal from there. Now, this is what might happen if the market keeps going up as bullish today. If the market crosses below this point of 3349, which is a possibility if the news comes as positive for US dollar, then there is a possibility that it might just come down. And if that thing happens, then we have to understand that 3349 being the target, it will try to reach the first level of 3341 or 40, try to retest this, and then directly go down to 3325, which today can be a very good point of support. 3325, right? And then it will try to move up a little, and on the retest, if it goes further down, then we have a point of 3301. Now this 3301 is the point that I want you to make a note of as well, because this can be a very important point. Here's something that I would like to inform you about the points today. Now, what I want you to understand here is between 3301, always take 3301 to 3285, or this particular, there's a liquidity area. So kindly be careful after 3303 or 3301, right? And wait for the proper movement of the market, because then you have few positions which you can take from long positions that you can take as a swing buy between 3300 and 3285 as well. Right. So that is something that you have to wait as per your investment that you have in the market. Right. Other than that, the very good point, if it does not reach this point, then you have got 3325 as a very good buy position again, because there's a very strong support, which I also discussed in the last video yesterday, right? I want you to certainly go through the videos that I make in the past as well, because there is always a trend that we understand through that, and that helps you to be in the market and the way the trend goes. And that is what is really very important for us to understand. Today, the market seems to be a little bullish, provided it crosses this point of 3357 to 59. Then you have the next target of 3372 to 75, and of course 3397 being the other point that where you can have a very good resistance right down there from there, right? Now, this is what might happen with gold today. And that's all I have for you for the gold, right? With BTC Ethereum, I would still request you to kindly please check the video of the BTC Ethereum that we have made. You might just find it in the list of videos that we have made. And that is one of the important videos for you to understand the cycle and what is exactly happening, so that you can, analyze on yourself as well, and you can invest in or trade with BTC and Ethereum at the same time. So that's all I have. You have a wonderful day and life in trading. Thank you.